This is my dinner tonight. Hello, this is my dinner tonight. I've made a creamy herby chicken steak. Uh, it's yum. Have a look. And then I have some veggies, so might as well make a perfect bite. Nothing like some buttered beans and carrots. Make a perfect bite. This is a very satisfying low carb dinner. Before you say recipe, 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 keep watching recipe in video. This is about a 140 to 150 grams of chicken steak piece, which is available on Meatigo. Season it with salt, and with some pepper. So this is my seasoned chicken steak piece, available on Meatigo. Heat a pan and add some olive oil. Add 2 cloves of garlic. Add your chicken steak. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Flip it. Keep flipping till the chicken is cooked. Keep the chicken aside, and now we'll make the sauce. In the same oil, use 1 small grated onion, half tablespoon grated garlic. Cook it for a bit. After cooking for a few seconds, add some salt to taste. Add a little pepper powder, a little bit of oregano, and a little bit of thyme. All of it is available on Blinkit or Amazon. Now cook this till it turns a little brown. Add a cup of chicken stock or chicken broth, whatever you like to call it. Now let this cook till it reduces. Stir it till it reduces. While it's reducing, add a little bit of lemon juice, very little. Add some cream, fresh cream. Add a dash of butter. Now add your chicken. And let the sauce be all over the chicken. Switch off your stove. And now we are ready to eat this creamy, herby chicken. My chicken is ready. I'm going to add the sauce on top. Add some sauteed vegetables. And your low carb dinner is ready. Creamy, herby chicken steak, which is a low carb dinner. Give it a try. What's your dinner?